What happens when LG takes its brightest gaming display tech and pushes it to the next generation? Meet the UltraGear OLED 27GX700A, a monitor designed to outshine everything that came before it. This isn't just another UltraGear, it's the first to ship with LG's brand new 4th generation WOLED panel featuring Primary RGB Tandem technology. Translation: brighter, faster, and more efficient than any of its predecessors. Compared to older Gen 3 WOLED monitors, you're looking at a 21% boost in typical brightness, 335 nits standard, and up to a dazzling 1500 nits in HDR highlights. That's light that cuts through the dark and detail that refuses to hide. Performance? At 2560 by 1440 resolution, a 280 Hz refresh rate, and lightning-fast 0.03 millisecond GTG response times, the 27GX700A is built for players who live in the milliseconds, where every frame counts. And for creators and color purists, it delivers 99.5% DCI P3 coverage, so every hue, shadow, and highlight pops exactly as intended. Connectivity is future-ready with HDMI 2.1, and the adjustable stand ensures comfort during those marathon sessions. Right now, it's rolling out in China for 4,599 yuan. That's around $640, with global pricing still under wraps. But one thing's certain, this monitor isn't here to join the game. It's here to change it. The LG UltraGear OLED 27GX700A, the future of competitive gaming, just got a lot brighter. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.